quick video on this 50-foot extension reel. So this will pull out and then easily go back in. This is fully adjustable just by turning this. You can have the leader be longer or shorter. When it's on, it has a light. It's got 3 outputs, 4.5-inch leader on the end, so you have somewhere to plug it in. It does go 180 degrees, so it's right against the wall. So it's super slim. You can install this on a ceiling or on a wall. The mount is very versatile. It's 14 gauge wire and 13 amp cable. 13 amp cable, and it also has a circuit breaker at 13 amps. It'll like, you know, trip if you're drawing over 13 amps as a safety. So that's really nice to have. This is something that would be really nice to have in a garage like this, or in a basement, or in a workshop. So something I really like. I suggest picking it up. These guys are cool, 50 feet. What more do you want?